Three things wey we go fit give people for this life. They are the most treasures things in this life. The number one thing is your time. Dat person wey dey think for house, dat person wey don even conclude im mind say e wan die, e wan commit suicide, dat person wey don lost hope, wey don know wetin e wan think again, wey im life don confuse. My brother, my sister, you fit talk to dat person mind go calm down, dat person go smile again. Dat person wey dey cry morning till evening because of dat small time wey you give am, wey you take talk to am, im mind go smile again. Na one of the best thing wey you don give dat person. And the number two thing wey you go fit give for dis life is charity. Charity no mean say you go get 100 times, you go get 50 times before you go give person. Charity no mean say you must get all the money. If na your small garri wey you get for house, you know say the person never eat, the person dey hospital, the person dey sick, you fit give am small garri, small rice, the person go happy. E no mean say you go get all the money. The small thing wey you go fit offer for dat person, the clothes wey the person no get, you fit get clothes. The one wey you no fit wear but e still good fit give person, na still charity. E no mean say you go do everything. And the number three thing na your treasure. If na small money wey you know say you fit get, you fit give dat person. E matters. E matters. E no mean say you go get everything. And there are some people, the way they take dey do good, if I do for you, you go do for me, dat one no be good. They no dey owe Moses law. Jesus say he come not to condemn the world but amend it. If you do for me, he go do for you. Dat one no be Christianity. Do for those wey you know say e no go fit do for you. All those old mama wey dey your street, wey you know say if you give them money, you no get anything wey they go take give you back, dat is charity. All those people wey lame, wey sick, wey you know say no go fit give you money back, dat is charity. My brother, my sister,